Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see Banarasi semi-cotton sarees, your most favorite collection. This time we have got short antique zari woven borders in different designs and patterns. We've also got long zari woven borders in Banarasi style with beautiful and subtle prints in floral and geometric designs. Let's quickly get started. All these are very lightweight, easy to carry sarees in a very affordable range, perfect for gifting for the upcoming festival season. These sarees are easy to maintain as well. All these sarees can be carefully hand washed at home. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. First one for today, blue and grey, a very pretty saree with short and long antique zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got box prints along with paisleys, very subtly printed running along the body. A printed pallu, simple, and a contrast plain blouse priced at 990. Blue and peacock green, short and long border, long antique zari woven border in Banarasi style towards the bottom part of the saree. The body has got beautiful floral prints running along the saree. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. A contrast blouse priced at 1050. Beige, brown and black with red contrast borders, short zari woven borders on either sides. The body has got geometric prints running all over the saree. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in red priced at 990. Lime yellow and copper sulphate blue, short and long borders in Banarasi style with very pretty floral prints in the body. That's the pallu, printed pallu with tassels done. A self-printed blouse in copper sulphate blue, priced at 1090. Pale yellow and rustic red, short and long Banarasi borders along with floral prints in the body. Simple pallu, the same prints gets repeated along the pallu. A contrast blouse in rustic red, priced at 1050. Brown, blue and maroon, short and long borders in Banarasi style with all over floral prints in the body. Simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. A contrast printed blouse priced at 1050. Pista green and peacock green, short and long Banarasi borders in antique golden zari with beautiful paisleys and florals woven in zari. The body has got floral prints running throughout the saree. A simple printed pallu, the same prints in the pallu. A contrast zari woven blouse priced at 1050. Grey and lime yellow, one more beautiful saree with short and long Banarasi borders all over prints in the body. That's the pallu with tassels done. A contrast printed blouse in lime yellow, priced at 1090. Brown and maroon, similar to the one that I'm wearing today but different prints. Short zari woven borders in antique gold on either sides with the body having floral buttas running throughout the saree. Simple printed pallu and a contrast blouse, priced at 990. Yellow and pink, short and long Banarasi borders with floral prints in the body. A printed pallu, that's the pallu. A contrast printed blouse in pink, priced at 1090. Grey, a very pretty color, short and long antique Banarasi borders with floral prints in the body. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in grey, priced at 1050. Rust and coffee brown, a very unique color combination with short antique zari woven borders, paisleys and florals woven in antique zari with the body having subtle floral prints. A simple line printed pallu. A contrast blouse in coffee brown, priced at 990. Bottle green, very different style of prints. Box prints with geometric and floral pattern alternating throughout the body with antique Banarasi borders on either sides. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. Plain blouse in bottle green, priced at 990. Pastel pink and mauve with deep jamun color, one more unique color combination with short antique zari woven borders. Subtle floral prints in the body in single color. A simple printed pallu. Contrast blouse in deep jamun color, priced at 990. Pastel blue, single color with short and long antique zari borders. Floral digital prints running throughout the saree. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu. And a plain blouse, priced at 990. Brown and pink, beautiful color combination with antique zari woven border, short and long on either sides. The body has got very pretty floral prints running throughout the sari, a simple printed pallu, a self-printed blouse in pink, priced at 1050. Indigo and green, a very pretty sari with short and long antique zari borders and all over floral prints in the body, a simple printed pallu, that's the pallu, and all over printed blouse, priced at 1050. Black, single color, antique Banarasi borders with all over paisley prints in the body, a simple printed pallu, a plain blouse in black with antique border, priced at 1050. Yellow and chiku, a very pretty and unique color combination with short antique zari woven borders in Banarasi style. The body has got kalamkari floral prints running throughout the sari, simple lines in the pallu, a contrast plain blouse in chiku, priced at 990. Beige and red, the last one for today. Rich Banarasi zari woven borders with the body having subtle kalamkari prints running throughout the sari. The same prints in the pallu with tassels done. A contrast printed blouse in red, priced at 1090. All the saris that I had shown you today are available in our website. We have multiple pieces available in each of the saris that I had shown you today. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to buy these saris. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.